The Commander-General of the National Police of Timor-Leste, Commissioner General Enrique da Costa, has highlighted the vital role of Special Police Unit in responding to high-risk and complex situations across the country. Speaking in TATOLI, he said the UEP operates 24/7 in challenging conditions, upholding three key pillars: discipline, professionalism, and specialization. He stressed that discipline builds public trust, professionalism ensures lawful and impartial conduct, and specialization equips officers to face evolving threats such as organized crime, cybercrime, terrorism, and human trafficking. Enrique reaffirmed his commitment to prioritizing training in cooperation with national and international partners in areas like public order, counterterrorism, tactical intervention, and protection of key entities. He urged the PNTL to strengthen technological capabilities as Timor-Leste prepares to join ASEAN. UEP Commander Superintendent Damian Correa noted the unit's components: the Public Order Battalion, Special Operations Company, Personal Security Company, and Generic Mission Unit, which ensures maximum national security, protect high-profile figures, and support international events. The remarks came during the UEP's 16th anniversary celebrations, where members demonstrated tactical responses and security operations. Arminda Fonseca, Maria Auxiliadora, TATOLI.